Are we alone in the universe? Join us on a journey that could change everything as we embark on the ultimate quest for the greatest discovery in human history, the search for extraterrestrial life. We're taking you on a mind-bending adventure to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos and answer the age-old question, are we truly alone in the universe? The question of whether or not we are alone in the universe has been pondered throughout human history. Ancient Greek philosophers, such as Epicurus, argued that there is an infinite number of worlds in the universe that exists. An extensive line of philosophers, writers, and scientists have debated the topic over the centuries. The Earth remains the only inhabited world known so far, but scientists in their research are finding that the universe abounds with the chemistry of life. Technologies impacting the search for ET. As our technology has become more sophisticated, so has the search for other potential life in the universe. Some new factors to consider are based on advanced radio telescopes and Kepler data. Kepler is a space observatory launched by NASA to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars. That habitable exoplanets similar to Earth are much more common than originally thought, and the universe is more expansive than we have believed. In August of 2022, in an exciting development, astronomers captured the first direct image of an exoplanet with the recently deployed James Webb Space Telescope. The earlier model Hubble Space Telescope, which was also a marvel, could take images of exoplanets, but the Webb has far more capabilities to allow for infrared exploration of exoplanets that can detect water and carbon dioxide signatures in a planet's atmosphere. There are other events bringing light to the possibilities of life elsewhere too. Recently, scientists discovered an exoplanet ocean world called TOI 1452, just 100 light-years from Earth. A paper on the discovery says that the entire planet is covered by a thick layer of water and that it's located far enough from its star to possibly support life. Scientists discovered a beautiful ocean world 100 light-years from Earth, lifeboat.com. This discovery, along with recent discoveries of other potential exoplanets that can harbor life, has led many leading astronomers to conclude that we are not alone in the universe. A discovery. Earlier this year, scientists spotted the building blocks of RNA at the center of the Milky Way. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a molecule similar to DNA, and it is present in all living cells. The team of researchers discovered the building blocks of RNA in a molecular cloud in our galaxy. Such building blocks have also been discovered on asteroids. Most notably, Japanese researchers discovered more than 20 amino acids on the space rock Ryugu, which is more than 200 million miles, 320 million kilometers, from Earth. Scientists made the detection by studying samples retrieved from the near-Earth asteroid by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency's JAXA Hayabusa 2 spacecraft, which landed on Ryugu in 2018. A new project. A project aimed at listening for signals of other intelligent life is SETI. Search for Extra-Terrestrial Intelligence has been active for several years, analyzing signals from outer space of intelligence sourcing. A spin-off of the SETI project, called METI, Messaging Extra-Terrestrial Intelligence, is focused on designing and transmitting messages to possible life-bearing planets. METI project scientists recently transmitted a signal to a nearby star called Luyten's star, GJ 273. The signal sent to Luyten's star incorporates a scientific and mathematical tutorial, as well as 33 short musical compositions by artists in the sonar community. There are a variety of innovative projects using newer technologies to search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, including scanning space with sensitive optical and acoustic technologies. One technology called gravitational microlensing is being used for the detection of planets using techniques measuring the bending of light emitted by a star because of gravity from orbiting objects. Finding about universe. As we are in the age of space discovery, enabled by innovative technologies and tools enhanced by material science and artificial intelligence, we are finding out more about the universe we live in every day. In her analyses, Nathalie A. Cabral, Alien Mindscapes. A perspective on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence concludes that advances in planetary and space sciences, astrobiology, and life and cognitive sciences, combined with developments in communication theory, neural computing, machine learning, and big data analysis, create new opportunities to explore the probabilistic nature of alien life. How many Earth-like planets are out there? The estimates of potential Earth-like planets vary among astronomers and exobiologists, those who study extraterrestrial life. NASA estimates conclude that there are more than 100 billion Earth-like planets based on the assumption that our universe has 500 billion stars like our own. That figure contemplates nearly identical conditions for life to evolve on these planets. Evidence derived from new powerful telescopes, including Kepler's exploration of the Milky Way, and various space probes in our solar system, have shown that water is more commonplace than thought, and the organic building blocks of life are abundant. Beyond the Milky Way, the number of planets that could support life, as we know it, are overwhelming. Astronomers at the University of Auckland claim that there are around 100 billion habitable, Earth-like planets in the Milky Way. Multiplied by the 500 billion plus galaxies in the universe, they estimate around 50 sextillion, 5x 1022, habitable planets, or 50 sextillions in the universe. Of course, forms of life could potentially evolve without Earth ecosystems would exponentially change that estimate to an even greater number. Have ETs visited? What are UFOs? In 2018, a cigar-shaped object was spotted hurtling through the solar system. It was named Oumuamua. Close observations showed that Oumuamua was accelerating as if something were propelling it, and scientists still are not sure why. Dr. Avi Loeb, a Harvard University astrophysicist, has proposed that the interstellar visitor could have been an alien probe pushed by a light sail, a wide millimeter-thin piece of material that accelerates as it's pushed by solar radiation. Extraterrestrial evidence. 10 incredible findings about aliens from 2020. A speculative theory by Nobel laureate Francis Crick and chemist Leslie Orgel called directed panspermia discusses whether life on Earth might have originally been sowed by an extraterrestrial civilization. They pointed out that the technology to seed other worlds is within humanity's grasp. Thus, it may be possible for certain intelligent civilizations to dispatch spaceships with microorganisms to numerous planets to spread life. Our future. Some scientists are now estimating that we may have contact with extraterrestrial contact within the next few decades. If we discover life elsewhere, it will surely impact our belief systems, religions, and culture. Contact could cause panic and confusion, or it could serve to unify humans as a species. That remains to be seen but is being openly discussed. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb surmised putting our hands on a piece of alien technology would change the way we perceive our place in the universe, our aspirations for space, and our philosophical and theological beliefs. As we continue to search the vast expanse of the universe for signs of extraterrestrial life, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that await us. Perhaps one day we will finally make contact with other life forms, or perhaps we will continue to search and wonder. But one thing is for certain. The search for extraterrestrial life will always be a fascinating and awe-inspiring journey of discovery. So let us continue to marvel at the wonders of the universe and keep our eyes on the skies, for who knows what secrets they may hold. Subscribe to our channel, or you will miss out on our videos.